Alright, welcome to my tour of Blackboard. So, you've logged into your Blackboard at Stockton University and you got your list of courses here. You can go up into this tab on the menu board, click on that. That'll give you the same display of courses. We're going to focus on instructional technology right here. Click on that and it brings you to the home screen. On the side of the home screen is a little sidebar. Most important thing on this sidebar is that activity tracking. It has other things too. You can look at your grades. You can look at this week's assignments, last week's, and make sure you're all up to date. The water cooler. Talk to some of your classmates about whatever. So here we are, activity tracking. Shows your assignments, possible points, everything you need to know. So if you like this video, remember to smash that like button, subscribe, and then I'll see you next time.